be doing the palm rest replacement on a Lenovo 300E G3 Touch. The first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery cable. We do this to prevent any shortages to the motherboard or the LCD. So you just want to take out the screws in the bottom cover. Once the screws are loosened, you can remove the bottom cover. And then disconnect the battery cable. Now that the battery is disconnected, we can remove all of the screws in the palm rest. Now that all the screws are removed, you can start removing parts. You can remove the battery. You can disconnect the stylus board and take it out. Disconnect the speakers and take those out. Disconnect the two USB ribbons and remove the USB board and the USB board bracket. Disconnect the Wi-Fi card, and then disconnect any remaining cables or wires from the motherboard. So you can disconnect the camera cable, the LCD cable, the keyboard ribbon, and the touchpad ribbon. And now you can carefully remove the motherboard, making sure that you're grounded to prevent any static electricity damage to the motherboard. Now you can remove the camera from the palm rest. And now that everything is removed from the palm rest, you can open up the unit to loosen the hinges and get the palm rest out. Now you can grab your new palm rest, flip it over to the back side, and line the hinges up. Once the hinges are lined up, you can hold the palm rest and the hinges and fold the palm rest down. So you can grab your camera and put that back into the top of the palm rest. And then you can grab your motherboard and carefully put that back into place. Make sure no cables or wires are underneath of the motherboard. Now you can grab your USB board and put that back. and the USB board bracket. Now you can take your speakers and put those back. And now you can put the stylus board back into place. You can take your battery and put your battery back into place. So now that everything is back in, you can start reconnecting all of the cables and wires except for the battery. So you can reconnect the Wi-Fi card. The camera cable, the LCD cable, the stylus cable, the speakers, the keyboard ribbon, the touchpad ribbon, and the two USB ribbons. Now that everything is back in and reconnected except for the battery, we can put all of the screws back in. And reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. And then you can put the bottom cover back on. And tighten up the bottom cover screws. To verify the repair, you want to grab your AC and plug the unit in. Once it's plugged in, you can open the unit up. If the LCD comes on, then that means the repair was successful. And then to double check that the battery is working properly, you can unplug the AC. And if you unplug it and the unit stays on, that means the battery is working. So now you can shut the unit down.